30-40 house walk through. Offset area and all. Staircase. Well, waterful. This is water storage. Slab work going on. You can see here staircase. Below septic tank has been used. Septic tank, 3-chamber septic tank, and this is the sump according to Vastu. Sump size 4 feet by 6 feet, more than 10,000 liter. Easily you can fill in this. Enter into the house. This is hall, big size, comfortable hall. Height of this slab has been taken around 11 feet. Suppose if you do false ceiling design, then you can construct, and here 2 bedroom has been taken, which are of comfortable sizes. This is the kitchen with dining area, and puja room will come here. So in above puja room means you can make for storage purpose. Lintel has been taken. Credit goes to the engineer constructed this house. Very beautiful work done by the engineer. And this is the kitchen. Means finishing will come after some days. Offset area also given, around 2 feet offset area. Here you can see enough space for offset area. Here are the bedrooms. Height of lintel 7 feet from the floor level. Here is one bedroom. Between here come one common toilet and bath, and there is one option, you can take that attached toilet and bath also, but hall size has been taken little bit bigger, so it's okay. So presently in this video, total construction around 17, 18, 19 depend. Okay, at least you have to consider 17 lakh for 30-40 minimum, and after all it's totally depend on time to time. Material cost will increase, so the value of the construction will totally dependent on your work or the time. In this period, cost of material has increased, so like this. And there is car parking also, very sufficient space. I wish you can see fully it's constructed, layout is fully developed, so many houses has been constructed. Now plots are not available in this place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 infinity number of buildings are going to taking place. Construction is going on, and enough space for car parking as well as, and water is also sufficient. Upside view of this layout. In 2017, cost price is around 15 lakh, 14 lakh, 12 lakh, depend on. Now see here, so many construction has going on. So